I have carrots?
Yeah.
Let me go inside and see if I have a carrot. All I can find is a piece of okra. So we're gonna use this. Okay. He's coming along. He's ugly.
So ugly.
Ugliest snowman there ever was.
I've made ugly one.
You do eat teeth.
He has fucking gingivitis.
Y'all, this is the best we could do. And I put a little hat on it. But this is what happens when you get snow in Atlanta. Oh, thank you.
I love the coat.
Oh, thank you. I'm trying to stay warm. Hi. I'm here for a pickup order. Stop it. Stop. Unhand me. Unhand me. Are you crazy? Y'all, I had to run downstairs to get me one of my pastries I made. I think already 5 were gone and I only made 12, but they came out so good and I'm eating it with some yogurt. Y'all, these are so good and they're gluten-free because the pastry or the puff pastry I used, I think it's called the Sweet Lorraine. How my morning's going. My favorite cup is broken and let me move my laptop. Finally made my cup of joe and it's actually really good. I need to make sure not to use too much of this because it's really, really sweet, but really, really good. Highly recommend.
every day, a sunny day. Walking on it's every day. Nothing else is here to stay.
Yeah, nigga, know what I'm saying? I'm finna do this shit like this right here. Down by my bitch with this nigga in a little scoop. What he don't know won't hurt him, just a scared trick. Get your ass out the fucking car before I shoot you, bitch.